Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to be here again with you. Let's talk about a lifetime achievement award. Do you think that you deserve a lifetime achievement award? Think about it. Some of you may say, I'm not an actor, I'm not an innovator, I don't possess any professional excellence, and I don't think I deserve a lifetime achievement award. Some of you may assume that, okay, you have never made any significant impacts in the world and you don't deserve to be honored. You are a great father, someone that your child looks up to. You always show a willingness to teach your children values and responsibility, ensure their financial stability, maintain a safe environment for them, and offer them unconditional love. So I think there are many reasons why you deserve this award. But one reason exactly that you deserve this award is because you refuse to give up on that child who always takes you for granted without even showing a sign of gratitude for all the sacrifices you have been making. Clearly, you put your own interests aside to accomplish someone else's life goals. But sometimes they don't understand that. Despite your children's lack of comprehension and understanding, you continue to be the responsible father that you should be. You are a mother. You are a mother who is patient, caring, sensitive, and you continue to demonstrate unconditional love for your family. Despite your shortcomings and your unmet needs, you continue to be the strong pillars, the nurturing force, and the support system that make your family what it is today. Mothers, you certainly deserve the Life Achievement Award. You really do. Many of you religious leaders, pastors, priests, you demonstrate how true leaders should be. Instead of going after your own riches and fortune, you continue to work for the spiritual betterment of the church and the world. Because of that, you must receive the honor that is due to you. A Lifetime Achievement Award is the least award that you should receive. So, what about you, child? Your parents applaud you for being a child who listens to their advice and observe principles that they have established. You are loved for being a loving and respectful person. Your parents have you in high regard for your unconditional love and support for them. They don't wish for any other person. You are the pride of your parents. You really deserve to be honored. You are a great worker. Everyone at your job is saying that you are an exemplary person. As a worker, you have shown professional excellence by your competence, exceptional skills, and unselfish dedication. Because of that, you need to publicly be recognized. Please know that you are greatly appreciated and that you are bestowed the Lifetime Achievement Award. You all deserve to be recognized for your kindness, your words of encouragement to others, as well as your contributions and commitment to your community. Listen, I want you to remember, okay, that you are the role models that encourage and inspire others. Remember that you are here in this world to create future generations, the generations that will lead the world to a better place. So if you're still in doubt of the results of your effort, refer back to the success of your children, from where they've been and where they are now. And then you will put your doubt aside. You will know that you deserve that lifetime achievement award that we're talking about here. Look at the impact that you have been having on the world, on your community. And tell me if you don't think that you deserve a lifetime achievement award. Think about that. I want to tell you not to look back and keep up the job, the work that you started. Look forward and don't look backward at all. Do you doubt that you deserve a lifetime achievement award? No, you shouldn't doubt. I think you deserve one because you have done so much for the world, for your family. I'm here to tell you to keep up the good work. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. The channel is the Willie Delmas channel on YouTube. We are there every Saturday at 6 p.m. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and share.